second place. We're finna bowl some bowls. Oh crap, too late. Wait!
110.
The 360! Let's go, Patrick. What did they call you?
Richard.
They call him Ricky. The Ricky boy? Okay. Let's see this. Let's do this. What are your opinions? What are your opinions?
BLM.
Da, 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 da.
No, but really.
Who messed up my fancy footwork? No way! No way!
Wait, one more. Watch this. What is that? You know who I am? Alright, back here. They call me.
There you go.
What are you doing?
Like, where are you going?
G on your turn. Let's go, Taylor. Frick. Goofiest dance ever. But it was effective. Hey, shake, shake, shake. Wait, rub it for good luck. Nasty. Throw it like a basketball. Shoot. I gotta go there first. Let's go!
What was that
We gotta do transition.
Ain't nowhere I've been.
Oh yeah! What?
Look at the Asian fighters.
Candy. Hi, Candy.
Boink.
Hi, Candy. You finally here in the vlog? I just want to check out the goofy shoes. Look at these. Whoa. Rock on my shoe. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5, 6. Nike kicks. Oh, bro. That is... Wow. Let's do this.
Where are my kids?
Alright, let's do it.
Oh! No way I've been. No way.
Fumble. Annie, what are we about to do?
We're about to get a home run.
Yes, sir. Shoot that basketball. Shoot. Kobe Bryant. Watch this. It's still my turn. What happened? Whatever. I want to recap.
I got an 8.
W. Let's do this. Oh, bro. It was curving, but then it curved back at the end. It's the man, the myth, the legend. Boezy, the Tweezy. Oh! But it's only 2 that you didn't hit. Alright, let's keep going. Cut. Hey, no, just treat it like a pool ball, like click it. No, do it like a pool ball, get another gutter. No, yes. All right, come on. Ooh, yes. Good? What did I do? It's Dion's turn. Wait, half the law's winning.
Hit the fattest gutter ball of your life.
Hit the fattest gutter ball of your life.
Take that ball.
Hit the fattest gutter ball.
Take that one.
Okay. You can do this. We trusted you! Wait. Yeah! Yeah! Hey now! Oh! Never mind, you suck. Who's winning now? Wait a minute, hold on a minute. You handicap. Hold on, we gotta review this. Handicap.
Hold up.
Oh, no.
Hold up.
We're done.
That's crazy.
You Photoshop that, and you're not gonna see nothing. When you wish upon a star, there's no difference who you. When you wish upon a star. Shout him out for little Prezi. Oh. Whoa. No.
Oh my God,
Twizzy! Go! Nice throw. Go! Alright, it's gonna be my last one. Oh crap. This is gonna be my last one. It's a losing game. No, the power I have. I'm gonna strangle you. Finally, my anime powers. Let's see if they work. I get to go again because they love me so much. Look how much they love me. Let's do this. Anime. Blood Soul. 1, a 2, a shooby-dooby-doo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kyle. Happy birthday to you. Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10?
What do you mean?
Bro, boss, you're a cheater. There's no way you won. You're not him. You're not him, you zesty. You zesty.
That's not zesty, bro.
Alright, wait, hold up. Who's the cheater? 144. Well, how do you feel about being a cheater?
How could you be so hard?
Alright, second try. This is my Pookie. And I have my ball. She gave me Pookie support. Okay, that's acceptable. But you and me, we're over. Guys, you won't believe what I have. She give me money when I need. Yeah, she money. I can explain. It's my turn. We're gonna do this the old-fashioned style. Dude, what? No. Alright, in the end, I won.
What?
I won. How do you feel seeing that I won? Huh? I won. How do you feel seeing that I won?